Hey guys, Mukul this side. Today I wanted to share a quick tip. Like a lot of people face a lot of trouble getting connectivity in different kind of locations, like in basement or sometimes even on the ground floor, top floors, or generally around everywhere in their house. So I've been giving this tip to a lot of people, and it has helped a lot of people. So I thought, why not make a quick video on this? So what I've done is I've in the on the Play Store I've installed this widget, 2G, 3G, 4G network mode changer, and I this is by Alexner. 2G, 3G, 4G shortcut is the name of the widget. So I've installed this widget and on my Samsung phone, and I've placed the icon here on the home screen. So like I know that in my house right now I don't get any reception. I will miss a lot of calls if people just simply try to call me, and I am this default mode LTE, 3G, 2G auto connect. By default all of our 4G phones will be on this mode. So what I do is, as soon as I reach my home, I change it to 2G, and the reception of the phone gets good, because now I can receive all the calls in whichever location I'm there in my house. But if I'm on the LTE 3G 2G mode, a lot of calls won't reach me. My phone won't even ring. On the other end, the caller will listen that the phone is not reachable. So why does this happen? This happens because, as we all know, 2G is the most ancient technology, and firstly, all of the operators. I'm using Vodafone right now. All of the operators started with 2G, and because all the phones are mostly on LTE, 3G, 4, 2G, and no matter what happens, still feels very poor. Like 4G has very poor coverage in India, so only few places we will get high speed internet on the 4G mode. So on this mode, what the phone tries, all the 4G phones, they try to stay on the 4G network, but it's basically not good if you want a stable connection for calls on your phone. Like for example, another example is that in my office, when I'm using 4G internet, the download speed of whatever I download is quite slow on the data network. So there I change it to 3G only, and I get a faster internet download speed there. So your case can vary. Like in my parents' house, whenever I go there, no matter what receptor I put, 2G or 3G or LTE, 3G, 2G, I get no network there. I get no calls there unless until I am on the top floor, or I am on the terrace. So my suggestion to you is that try this widget, try this app, and try these different modes, and maybe in your location either the 2G one has more scope of stable connection, or the 3G, or the usual one, the default one, LTE to 3G 2G. So give it a try, and I'm pretty sure that you will find a stable connection, a stable receptor out of these few options. And let me know in the comment section if it was able to help you, and do subscribe to the channel for more such tips.